So I've just watched about 4 or 5 people follow somebody in so that they pay for their ticket. He got stuck. That was a good one though. See what I'm saying? It's fucking crazy out here. Little kids got stuck out now. I hope I don't get arrested for that, but that's what happened. That was mint, wasn't it? He got fucking sandwiched right in it. I got you on video. I got you on video. Oh, fuck me. That was good. So yeah, this is Lille train station. Doesn't say where it is. Porte de Douai number 2. Just making videos on my days again, just as I'm about. I don't film anything, I never have. I'm starting to film and you see what I capture. It's fucking crazy. It's not crazy, but it's funny. It's different to what most people get up to. Yeah. It's not like I'm out robbing banks and fucking selling kilos of cocaine and fucking shooting gangsters, is it? Sweaty on here. Got like small city feelings. It's not got big city vibes. Alright, we're at the train station. Picked up a black smudge on the t-shirt. Still got to drink my creatine and glutamine. I haven't been doing any gym the last 2 weeks because I've just been travelling and trying to find my place to stay and food whilst researching a huge potential business I've got coming. But I'm not getting paid for it at the minute, so times are hard. I'll be honest, times are fucking hard. I've got nothing but drive and an idea. So the women around here are unbelievable.